Embrace your natural beauty. Understanding, wear minimal makeup. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's very common in fashion and beauty conversations: wear minimal makeup. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. First, let's break down the phrase, wear minimal makeup. The word, wear, in this context refers to applying or having makeup on your face. Minimal means very little or a small amount, and makeup is the products you use to enhance or alter your appearance, such as lipstick, mascara, or foundation. So, when combined, wear minimal makeup suggests using a small amount of makeup to achieve a subtle, natural look rather than a bold or dramatic one. There are several reasons someone might choose to wear minimal makeup. For some, it's a matter of comfort or personal style. Others might aim for a more natural appearance to emphasize their natural features without hiding behind heavy makeup. It's also seen as a practical choice for everyday activities like going to work, attending class, or running errands, where a simpler look is preferred. Let's look at how you might encounter or use wear minimal makeup in everyday English. Advice: a friend might say, if you're going for a job interview, wear minimal makeup to look professional. Personal preference: when discussing beauty routines, someone might share, I prefer to wear minimal makeup on weekends. Fashion and beauty tips: in magazines or beauty blogs, you might read, to achieve a summer-ready look, wear minimal makeup and focus on skin hydration. We hope this video has clarified what wear minimal makeup means and how you can use it in your conversations. Embracing your natural beauty with minimal makeup can be a liberating and comfortable choice. Remember, the key to confidence is being comfortable in your own skin, with or without makeup. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.